He's allergic to peanuts. Or she's allergic to peanuts. And we're also going to figure out how to say I'm allergic to peanuts, just in case you or someone you know happens to be allergic to peanuts. Cao pat tua li song. All right, taking a look at the tones. That's where we always start out, and for good reason, because the tones, you already know how to do the phonetics. You can look at that and you can read that, right? I mean, if you can read English. So you could say cao pa, cao pei, tua li song, which would be really incorrect, but we'll figure out the actual phonetics. But the tones are just as equally important as the phonetics. So looking closely at the tones, cow, rising tone, cow. Now, the symbol for cow, or for the symbol for rising tone is, you know, like that. But in actuality, you're going to go down a little bit and you're going to come up quite a bit more. Cow. Okay? But the rising is the important part. So, cow is a rising tone. Pat is a high tone. Pat is a high tone. Tua li song. Tua li song is one word. Okay? Tua, low tone. Li and song. So we've got them mapped out. Tua is low tone. Li is high tone. And song, rising tone.
เขาแพ้ถั่วลิสงเขาแพ้ถั่วลิสงเขาแพ้ถั่วลิสง
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 Okay, the first word cow means he or she, or it also means him, her, them, or they. Cow. It can also mean a hill or a mountain. That's the second meaning, but you're generally going to hear it as he, she, him, her, them, they. All right? Cow, rising tone. You want to say that? Cow. Pat. Pat means allergic, means to be allergic. Pat. I said it before, I think, in another lesson, maybe you've already seen, like it's like patty cake. Pat. And you stop it. Pat. Just kind of cut it off in mid-breath. Pat. High tone. Tua li song. Tua li song. One word, 3 syllables, which Thai, I don't know if you know this or not, but Thai was made up of only single syllable words for many, I don't know, many years, maybe even thousands of years. But then they started adopting words from Khmer, which is Cambodian, and Laos, and China, and America, and England, which, you know, not always the same thing. And so as they adopted other words, they started getting multi-syllable words. But genuinely, if you go way back, all Thai words were single syllable. This one, tua li song, obviously an adopted word for peanuts. You ready to try it? Tua li song. Get those tones. Those tones are important. Tua is a low tone. Li is a high tone. So it goes tua li, song, tua li, song. Speed it up just a little bit. Tua li, song. Tua li, song. Tua li, song. Tua li, song. Okay, I think you got it. So repeat after me. We're going to do the whole sentence. เขาแพ้ถั่วลิสงเขาแพ้ถั่วลิสงเขาแพ้ถั่วลิสง
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 And once more with captions.
เขาแพ้ถั่วลิสงเขาแพ้ถั่วลิสงเขาแพ้ถั่วลิสง
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com